Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. Today we will talk about how to connect mechanical keyboard to Mac. Let's start. First of all, for wired connections, plug the keyboard USB cable directly into your Mac USB port. The Mac should automatically recognize the keyboard. For wireless connections, make sure your keyboard is in pairing mode. If you want to connect it via Bluetooth, then on your Mac, go to System Preferences, choose Bluetooth and turn it on. Select your keyboard from the list of available devices to pair. For RF wireless keyboards, insert provided USB receiver into a USB port on your Mac. Power on the keyboard, it should connect automatically. You must note that using an external keyboard will not disable your built-in keyboard on Mac. Both can function simultaneously. Thank you.